Hi, my name is Linda. I'm a working mom of two, full-time working outside the home. I do homemaking and cooking and just all that. Right now, I'm just doing an intro to hopefully my first video for YouTube where I can go ahead and share cleaning, cooking, a lot of cleaning inspiration, motivation, and just cooking a lot of different recipes. I do like trying new recipes. I do like me and my family do a lot of stuff with our children since they are so small. One is 7 and one is almost 2. In next month he'll be 2, and we are just trying to go ahead and deal with an everyday life. Hopefully you'll join us in our journey through 2021 and moving forward. Hope you enjoy. You will see my clothes being different since this is just an intro. I did shoot this a few weeks ago, so hopefully you enjoy and you come back. Thank you very much. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and clean the fridge in this video. It's been very messy. This was around the first 2 weeks of January, so it was pretty bad from the holidays and everything going on. So I have a lot of leftovers and things like that. Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Okay, right now I'm just cleaning using a green cleaner, all-purpose cleaner, the simple green, and just a regular rag. Okay, right now I'm just getting rid of some leftovers. I usually don't have as many leftovers because I'm the only one who eats them, but in this case it was the holiday, so there was a little bit more. Sweet concussion, oh, you miss my touching, you do. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help that the sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. On my way. We've been dancing all night long. Riding with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now. But I'm done waiting. Down, wasting my time. So while I'm going ahead and cleaning and combining everything that is similar into bags, I wanted to go ahead and say a little bit about myself. My name is Linda and I have been married for almost 10 years. My 10th anniversary is this August. We have 2 crazy but wonderful kids who just keeps life interesting. A 7-year-old girl and a 2-year-old boy. I work full-time outside the home for a small local business. So I basically look at numbers all day. I'm a market analyst. I do love cooking and cleaning and keeping an organized house and just the planning, just to make sure that I get through the week without too much craziness. And look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. nice. We time. You, I know how to make me feel right. I can't help that this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Hey, sweet talk. You need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. On my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you beats my touching. Good do. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less.
Okay, now we're just gonna go ahead and put everything back in and make it look a little more organized. I still do have a lot of food, especially since both my husband and my kid are home all day. My husband's working from home and my kid is just going to school through at home right now because of the whole situation. So hopefully as the months go by, this will look less like a mess and we'll have less food.
Sweet talk. You need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. On my way. We've been dancing all night long. Riding with you way too long. Don't want nothing here.
Okay, so you just saw me use the scrubbing bubbles. I did use it on both the glass as well. It just takes care of all the really gross stuff that can accumulate underneath. So I did use that. Right now I'm just combining foods that are alike so that I'd have less bags in the fridge. And then and then once this is done, we'll go ahead and just pretty much be done. Put it back into the fridge and be done. This did take all day just because of the amount of food and organization I had to do in cleaning.
I'm already on my way. On my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you beats my touching. Good do. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do.
Okay, so I'm almost done with this, just wiping down the rest of the door and then go ahead and start bringing in the food. I did want to say thank you for watching the video. I'm a little nervous. I've never done this before, but I wanted to try and share all what I've learned throughout the years. And also I did grow up wanting to clean and being organized, and it just brings so much peace to my mind to know that I have organized stuff. As long as it's organized and it's not because whenever there's a mess I tend to just break down and it doesn't give me motivation to finish, or it doesn't give me motivation to start projects. And right now we do have a bunch of projects that we're planning on doing with hopefully a big change to a lot of things. So thank you for listening, and I hope you come back and hopefully I get better at both recording and doing this voiceovers. Thank you. Have a wonderful week and I hope to see you soon.